In a world that never rests, where every second is captured and shared, there's immense strength in silence and obscurity. Though it may seem counterintuitive, stepping away from the spotlight is sometimes the most effective way to truly connect with ourselves and create something extraordinary. This isn't just about taking a break. It's about deliberately withdrawing from the noise to build greatness behind the scenes. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that has found new relevance today, teaches the importance of focusing inward and cultivating resilience. By embracing moments of silence, we align more closely with our goals, shield ourselves from external distractions, and prepare for a transformation that is deeply rooted and profoundly impactful. Today, we'll explore how disappearing is not just a tool for magicians or the introverted, but a deliberate and powerful strategy for achieving personal growth and clarity. Whether you're aiming to reinvent yourself, focus on new ambitions, or simply find peace in a chaotic world, the lessons we explore will show you how tuning out the world can amplify your inner voice. Join me as we dive into the art of vanishing, not from the world, but into ourselves, and how this Stoic practice can lead to a life of contentment and achievement that goes beyond appearances. If you find this exploration into Stoic wisdom transformative, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and watch this video fully to absorb all the insights we'll cover together. Let's begin. Silence isn't just golden, it's transformative. Embracing quietude means more than just refraining from speaking. It's about carefully choosing what to share and with whom. In our everyday interactions, it's easy to overshare, from our daily routines to our grandest aspirations. But when we broadcast every detail, we invite external influences that can cloud our judgment and sway our direction. By keeping certain things private, we retain control over our narrative and protect our mental space from unnecessary noise. This approach is grounded in Stoic philosophy, which values self-mastery and internal control. Stoics believe that true freedom comes from within, and that managing our perceptions and reactions leads to lasting peace and effectiveness. When you choose to hold back from sharing every detail, you're not just avoiding gossip or misinterpretation. You're making a strategic decision to maintain focus and clarity of purpose. This selective sharing strengthens your resolve and anchors your goals, insulating them from the shifting tides of public opinion. It's about living a life in line with your deepest values, not one constantly reshaped by the opinions of others. Stoic philosophy teaches that real strength comes from within. Valuing your own judgments over those of others is not about arrogance, but about self-respect and sufficiency. By assessing yourself through your internal standards, rather than the ever-changing feedback from others, you cultivate a stable core. Why does this matter? When we depend too much on the approval or disapproval of others, we become like leaves in the wind, unstable, reacting to every external influence. Anchoring your self-worth in your own reasoning allows you to navigate life's challenges with equanimity and focus. You begin to act not to please others, but out of personal integrity and conviction. This doesn't mean we disregard the opinions of others, but rather we weigh them carefully. Stoicism isn't about emotional detachment. It's about a balanced approach, listening to others without being swayed unless their insights align with our values. This creates a mental fortress where only thoughts that contribute to our growth are allowed to influence us. In today's world of constant sharing, there's great power in secrecy, especially when working on personal or professional goals. Stoicism emphasizes action over proclamation, teaching that real merit lies in what we accomplish, not in what we promise. Keeping your plans to yourself isn't about creating a sense of mystery. It's about protecting your focus. Every time we reveal our goals, it's like forming cracks in the foundation of our intent. External opinions, doubts, and even unconscious sabotage can weaken our resolve. Moreover, secrecy amplifies your commitment. Announcing goals often brings premature praise, which studies show can decrease our motivation to complete the task. Stoicism reminds us to find satisfaction in doing, not just in the accolades that might follow. Keeping your ambitions private encourages internal validation over external approval. It promotes thoughtful actions that come from within, rather than being influenced by the reactions of others. This inward focus fosters meaningful progress and aligns with the Stoic ideal of self-sufficiency. Inevitably, setbacks will occur along your journey. How you handle these challenges can shape your future path. The Stoic philosophy offers profound guidance here. Embrace failure privately. This isn't about hiding struggles out of fear or shame, but about using these experiences as stepping stones to growth. Stoicism teaches that every obstacle is an opportunity to practice virtues like resilience, courage, and persistence. When we reflect on failures privately, without the noise of pity or unsolicited advice, we can fully understand and learn from them. This honest self-assessment enables wiser choices moving forward. Private contemplation of failures also aligns with the Stoic principle of focusing on what we can control. We can't control every outcome, but we can control our mindset and reactions. By turning inward during times of struggle, we strengthen our resolve and build independence, key qualities for anyone striving to live by Stoic values. In the silence, your first task is to crystallize your objectives. What do you aim to accomplish in this period of intentional quiet? Setting clear, specific goals isn't just an intellectual exercise. It's a crucial step on the path to self-improvement and transformation. Whether your goal is learning a new skill, improving your health, or launching a new venture, the specificity of your aims will serve as your compass, guiding your every action. Stoicism teaches that purposeful action is essential. The Stoics didn't just endure life's challenges, they actively worked to overcome them with clear, actionable objectives. Once your target is set, the next step is to align your life around it. This isn't about occasional effort, it's about restructuring your daily existence to make your ambition central to your life. Stoicism teaches us that discipline is a form of self-love, an honor to oneself by living according to one's principles. By structuring your life around your goal, you practice this high form of discipline every day. This involves effective time management, prioritizing activities that support your ambition, and eliminating distractions. It's about turning your ordinary actions into extraordinary achievements by making each moment purposeful. In Stoicism, great progress often comes from the accumulation of small, consistent actions. Once you've aligned your life with your goals, the next essential step is to establish daily habits that reflect your ambitions. These habits act as the building blocks of success, each small step reinforcing the next. The Stoics believed in the power of habit because they knew that human behavior is shaped by routine. When we commit to daily actions, no matter how small, we inch closer to our goals in a way that feels sustainable and grounded. These daily actions become rituals, serving as a reminder of your long-term purpose, while also cultivating discipline and resilience. What separates the Stoic approach from other philosophies is the emphasis on endurance and perseverance. Stoicism doesn't promise quick results, but emphasizes the importance of consistency and patience. This mindset removes the pressure of instant gratification and instead focuses on the process of growth itself. Whether it's committing to a daily writing practice, exercising, or meditating, the cumulative impact of these routines becomes evident over time. Moreover, daily habits act as a buffer against distractions and setbacks. When life inevitably presents challenges, your established routines give you a sense of control and stability. No matter what happens externally, your habits remain intact, providing a sense of continuity and momentum. An essential tenet of Stoicism is the understanding that growth and progress often require discomfort. Whether it's physical, emotional, or psychological, facing discomfort head-on is an opportunity to strengthen your resolve. In a culture that often promotes ease and convenience, choosing to embrace discomfort is a radical act of self-discipline. Stoics believed that by intentionally exposing ourselves to hardship, we prepare for life's inevitable difficulties. This practice, known as voluntary discomfort, might include activities like fasting, waking up early, or engaging in physically demanding tasks. The goal isn't to punish oneself, but to build resilience. By doing so, you sharpen your ability to navigate adversity with grace. Choosing to endure discomfort in pursuit of your goals also cultivates a deeper sense of gratitude. When you voluntarily experience hardship, you learn to appreciate the comforts and luxuries that you often take for granted. This mindset shift creates a balanced perspective, allowing you to approach life with humility and gratitude. Furthermore, discomfort serves as a powerful teacher. It reveals areas where we need to grow, exposing weaknesses and fears that might otherwise go unnoticed. Through these experiences, we learn valuable lessons about our own limitations and, more importantly, how to transcend them. Embracing discomfort is a critical part of the Stoic journey, leading to a fortified character and a mindset that can endure life's challenges with poise. In Stoic philosophy, reflection is a key practice for maintaining inner peace and wisdom. After each day, take time to review your actions, thoughts, and decisions. This process of self-reflection is essential for personal growth because it allows you to evaluate your progress and identify areas where you can improve. Daily reflection aligns with the Stoic practice of journaling, which was used by figures like Marcus Aurelius. His personal writings, now known as meditations, were filled with reflections on his experiences, challenges, and observations. Through this practice, he was able to internalize the Stoic principles and apply them to his life in a meaningful way. Reflection offers the opportunity to recalibrate. If you've strayed from your path or allowed external influences to affect your decisions, reflection gives you the space to course correct. This act of introspection is powerful because it keeps you accountable to yourself. It's a chance to refine your thoughts, actions, and intentions, ensuring they remain in alignment with your ultimate purpose. Moreover, reflection helps to internalize Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, and self-discipline. By reviewing your day through a Stoic lens, you can assess whether you've acted with these virtues in mind. This practice helps to reinforce the idea that success isn't defined by external achievements alone, but by living in accordance with your values. When you intentionally disappear into the silence, whether for a short period or a prolonged retreat, you emerge with a renewed sense of strength and clarity. The time spent away from distractions allows you to focus inward, fortifying your mind and spirit. As you return to the world, you do so with a deeper understanding of your purpose and a greater ability to navigate external challenges with calm and resilience. Stoic principles help guide this transformation. The silence provides an opportunity to cultivate virtues like patience, temperance, and humility. By detaching from external noise, you gain control over your own thoughts and emotions. This makes you less reactive to the opinions and judgments of others, which in turn grants you the freedom to pursue your goals without unnecessary interference. In this way, disappearing into silence is not about escaping reality, but about building the inner fortitude needed to face it head-on. It's a deliberate choice to become more mindful, self-aware, and purposeful in everything you do. When you return to the world, you bring with you the strength that only comes from deep introspection and the wisdom that comes from embracing the Stoic path. In today's noisy world, the ability to step back, reflect, and realign is a superpower. The Stoic philosophy teaches us that the true path to greatness often lies in the quiet moments we spend with ourselves. Moments when we cultivate resilience, strengthen our character, and refine our purpose. As you embrace the art of disappearing, remember that this journey isn't about retreating from life, but about engaging with it on a deeper level. It's about honing your inner strength, protecting your ambitions from external distractions, and emerging with the clarity and fortitude needed to live a life of meaning and purpose. By learning to embrace silence and solitude, you align yourself with the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. A wisdom that teaches us that the greatest transformations happen not in the public eye, but in the quiet, intentional moments we spend in pursuit of our highest selves.